Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify loyalty points with Smile.io easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update Shopify loyalty points with Smile.io, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the Apps section. Find and select the Smile.io app from your list of installed apps. If you haven't installed Smile.io yet, visit the Shopify App Store and download it. Upon opening the Smile.io app, you will see your loyalty program dashboard. Look for the Points or Rewards section in the dashboard menu. Click on this section to access your loyalty points settings. Here, you can manage points earned for purchases or actions. To update the points for a specific action, click on the Actions tab. Select the action you wish to modify, such as purchases or referrals. Adjust the points value as desired, ensuring it reflects your loyalty program goals. Once you've made your changes, review the updates for accuracy. After confirming the changes, click the Save button to apply the updates. Your points system is now adjusted, and customers will see this in their accounts. Exit the Smile.io app by clicking on the X at the top right corner. Return to your Shopify dashboard to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Finally, test the loyalty points on your store by simulating a customer purchase. This simple process keeps your loyalty program fresh and engaging for your customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.